Hello everybody, it is Brooke with Re-fabbed, and I love Christmas. The whole feel of it, everything about it I love, okay? And so I am just thrilled to death to get to start Christmas crafting. So here's what we're doing today. It's in my head. I don't know exactly how it's gonna go, but we'll just see. I have an embroidery hoop. This is one of the smaller ones. Oh, I hope it says the size. Okay, it does. 6 inch. That's what this one is, a 6 inch, okay? Okay, after Christmas, I always stock up on cute ornaments. Y'all, can you even tell? I know I got this light because it makes it a lot easier to see, but how cute are these ornaments? They were $2 from TJ Maxx. So I'm gonna use 1 or 2 or 3, I don't know exactly, of these. And then we're gonna use these mini Christmas trees from the Dollar Tree. And then I've got some really cute ribbon, pink and red. I told y'all I was mixing a little bit of pink into my decor this year with red. Y'all might be like, whoa, what is she thinking? But I think it's gonna look awesome. And then I have these, which obviously we are not using this big something on this, okay? That is not to proportion. But I'm gonna cut a little bit of this off and a little bit of this, and we're just gonna make a really cute ornament. But I'm gonna leave this the same color. I'm not gonna paint this, but what I might do is go ahead and put some pom-poms around the outside. We'll start with that, okay? What do I wanna do? I'm trying to think, because I'm gonna have, I'll just start putting the pom-poms around and we'll just go from there, okay? Okay, here's what we have right here. How cute is this, for real? Cute, cute, cute. Okay, so this was our first step. Line it in pom-poms, okay? So I have this. Is this not fabulous? Y'all have seen this on my trees for years. I've had this for I don't even know how long. I'm also adding in just a tad bit of pink, okay? So I cut that off because I just want to use a little bit of this on this, okay? So I need one more pom-pom. Well, see, the thing is, this is gonna cover it up and you're not even gonna see it because we're covering it with this and an ornament. So I think it's gonna be okay, but I can go back and add more if I need to, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take one up here and one down here, and I'm gonna put them together like this, as close as I can together. Basically, all I wanna do right now is just get it tied together. That's really all. It's just get it tied together really good, okay? So you get these for like $3 or $4, man, at a lot of different places. Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Joann's, anywhere, you know. Even Dollar Tree has these, not this big, but they have a little smaller version, and I use them all the time, okay? This one I just went and grabbed from my stash, and I'm just gonna kind of cut a little bit of it. I have dozens of these because I use these for decorating, crafting, everything all the time. So I'm gonna take out some of the snowy little branch things, okay? So I'm just gonna start layering these, okay? Just kind of seeing what happens. I know this is rigged up. I don't even care. This is, I mean, you know. Okay, guys, so we have this. It is wild and crazy, but we will definitely be adding ribbon. We'll definitely be adding probably this beauty right here, maybe even more. We're gonna be laying it right here. So here you can kind of have an idea of how it's going. So let's go ahead and get this on to my embroidery hoop, and then I will keep working with it, okay? Instead of using the craft cord, this time I'm gonna go ahead and use this cute ribbon to go ahead and tie it onto my embroidery hoop. Okay, so this is what it's looking like so far. Y'all, for real. This is gonna be so cute. Now, obviously that's just tied, nothing major. We've got, I told you we had these 2 cute ribbons. Also got other cute ribbon I could use. We got these little ornaments and these trees. We got all kinds of fun stuff, okay? So I'm gonna take this, isn't that pretty? And I am going to just kind of do it like this in the center. And I'm gonna put it in the center like this, okay? Does that make sense? And then I'm going to, do you see where this right here, where I tied it, I still have 2 pieces? Okay, well, I'm gonna tie in the middle, okay? That Now that's weird looking, so I'm gonna cut it, but that's all I did there, and then I'm gonna put the ornament in the middle. What we're gonna do at the bottom of this ornament is put little trees. I'm telling you, this is gonna be cute. I hope y'all are prepared. I really think I want to use this one. This is gold and like a iridescent white or whatever. Okay, I'm gonna try to hot glue them on there. That's, oops, I already hot glued my paper. That's nice. So I'll go ahead with my hot glue. It is sizzling. It's sizzling. I think it's gonna work. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it right here. And I might have to do 3 because I think I'm gonna need 3 because I think 2 is not gonna look right, and you kind of do things in odd numbers. It's so funny. I know it's ridiculous how I get so excited, but I cannot help it. I love doing this kind of stuff. It just makes me so happy. Okay, so here's the first 2. So cute. Okay, now we're just gonna add one more right here. Okay, so I have got this, y'all. I'm not even joking. Ah, it fell off. Okay, that's okay. We're going. That just showed me that it needed to be in here a little tighter. No big deal. Look, I hope it don't fall again. If so, I'll just have to. But this is cute. This is cute. So now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these little trees from the Dollar Tree. These are the little Dollar Tree trees. And I'm gonna glue, put some glue at the bottom. And I am gonna glue it, my little tree. I think I'm gonna do like 3. But here we go. How cute is this? Wow. This turned out absolutely adorable. I'm using it as an ornament, and you can trim it down and kind of do what you want. Like literally, there is so many things that you can do. Make this your own. This is me. I like things that are not necessarily traditional, and so I love it. If you don't, or you want to do it different, this will just literally give you ideas and inspiration to make your own, okay? But let's look at it up close. We got 3 of the little tiny mini ornaments, which y'all know y'all can get cheap all the time. All the time. I got that whole set for $2 at TJ Maxx after Christmas, but you can buy them for $1 at the Dollar Tree. You know, not these exact ones, but you can definitely get that. Show your friends, y'all. Put it on your timeline so they can see this. This is so cute. So y'all have a good night. Thanks for sprinkling the video. Thanks for being here with me. And that's all I got for you. Y'all have an awesome night. Bye, guys.